eyes are red because I'm tired. I'm cute, I don't care what no one says. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't posted a lot. It's just, I don't know, I'm still kind of getting used to making videos. But I promise I'm gonna try to be more consistent. But yeah, that's basically it. So in today's video, you're gonna learn how to create this look using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and the Morphe 35B palette. And it's so good. It's so freaking pretty. You can't even say it's not pretty. Like, you can wear this literally anywhere. Like, honestly, yeah. Okay, so let's get on with the video. Bye. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and take Puree and Summer Yum, and I'm going to use it as a transition. Now I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take the blue shimmer shadow, and I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to spray it with some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And you're just going to place that all over your lid. Now I'm gonna get some of the black and put it in the outer corner and work your way in. Now we're going to go back with our transition shade and blend out the harsh line. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just blend out whatever I feel needs blending. Now we're gonna go back in with the shimmery blue color, and we're just gonna do that just in case the blue got dark with the black. We can like bring back the vibrance of it. And then one more time with the brush you use for the black, but don't grab any product, just use whatever's on the brush. Now I'm gonna line my waterline with a black eyeliner. I'm using a MAC Studio eyeliner. I don't know where I got it. I've just always had it. This is the only one I have. And also do your upper waterline. I don't know what that's called. I think that's right. Whatever, just do it. Now I'm gonna take the same black from the same Morphe palette. This is a lip brush, but I'm gonna use it for my eyes. So put it as close as you can to your waterline.
hot in my room. Oh my gosh. And I have this big ass sweater on. Ooh.
Now I'm gonna take this blue shadow from the same Morphe palette and I'm gonna put it under the black that we just applied.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
Now I'm gonna do my lashes using the Wet n Wild Mega Plump and the Pixi Lower Lash Mascara. Now I'm going to take these pair of lashes. These lashes aren't mink 3D hair. They're a drugstore like eyelashes, but I don't know what they are, what brand or what their names are. So I just needed a box, so I put them in here. Sorry. But they're cute, huh? I'm gonna take the Kiss strip lash adhesive. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes with the false lashes. And for highlight, I'm taking the Becca Champagne Pop with a fan brush and just applying it to my cheekbones. And my nose. And now for the last step, I'm gonna take this NYX whipped something in cocoa bean. It's just a nice nude. Okay, so this is the completed look. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, subscribe. And everything I used in the video will be down in the description. Also, the Morphe palette is my friend's. She let me use it. So I'll put her channel down in the description as well. Yeah, I hope you guys liked. Bye.